Hi, I'm Daniela. I'm an award-winning wig specialist. Today I'm going to be sharing with you different types of cap constructions. This is going to be our most common foundation. This is what we call a machine-made cap. I'm going to just show you all the way around here. This is the top, the side, and I always like to show you the amount of stretch that these caps have, because if you're new to wigs or if you haven't worn a wig in a long time, it's very important for you to know that these have lots of stretch. They become more comfortable as you wear them. This is a very common type of construction, and this allows for more volume, and this is also very affordable. So again, this is a basic machine-made foundation. This is a lace front foundation. So I'm going to show you the front here. This is lace front. This is hand knotted. I'm going to show you this cap from the side and the back. But again, I really want to emphasize on the lace front here. The reason this is really nice is if you choose to wear your hair without a bang or with the bang, when you pull this back, this gives you a very natural appearance because it looks like it's growing from your skin. Okay, this is a lace front, lace part. This is one of my favorite foundations. This can be worn with or without a bang. This is designed to look like it's growing from your skin. And the part lays very, very natural because, again, let me show you how far this part goes back. So it's going to be your most natural type of part if you like to wear your hair parted with a definite part. This is going to be what I would consider a medical type cap. This is double monofilament. This is going to be hand knotted in this area, and it's covered with another piece of fabric, which is very soft to the skin. The reason this is a really nice, luxurious cap is because you have the flexibility to part on the right or the left. It lays closer to the head. This is a very natural type of foundation. The reason this foundation is what I would consider a medical type piece is it's going to lay very close to the skin. And for those of you that might be experiencing hair loss or maybe don't have hair, this is going to fit the most comfortable. This allows you the flexibility to part your hair any direction. We also have a polyurethane strip here in the event that you choose to use tape to secure your foundation. As you can see, there are many types of foundations. Take your time in selecting which foundation is going to be best for you and best suit your needs. Always make sure you go to reneaparis.com to see all the different foundations available. Make sure to subscribe to YouTube, follow us on Instagram, and make sure to hit that notification button. See you soon!